What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency, a virtual currency designed to act as money and form a payment outside the control of any one person, group, or entity, and thus removing the need for third party involvement in financial transaction. It is rewarded the blockchain winners from the work done to verify transaction and can be purchased on several exchanges. Bitcoin was introduced public in 2009 by an anonymous developer or group of developers using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. It has since become the most well-known cryptocurrency in the world. Its popularity has inspired the development of many other cryptocurrencies. These competitors either attempt to release it as a payment system or are used as utility or security tokens in other blockchains and logins. Learn more about the cryptocurrency that started it, all the history behind it, how it works, how to get it, and what it can used for. Key takeaways. Launched in 2009. Key takeaways. Launched in 2009, Bitcoin is the world's largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Unlike fiat currency, Bitcoin is created, distributed, traded, and stored using a decentralized ledger system known as blockchain. Bitcoin's history as a store of value has been turbulent. It has through several boom and bust cycles over its relatively short lifespan. As the earliest virtual currency to meet with spread popularity and success, Bitcoin has inspired a host of other cryptocurrencies in the week. Bitcoin history as a store of value has been turbulent. It understand Bitcoin in August 2008. The domain name Bitcoin.org was registered one. Today, at last, this domain in whose code protected, meaning the identity of the person who registered it is not public information. In October 2008, a person or group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto announced the cryptography mailing list as Metsdown.com. I've been working on a new electronic cash system that's fully peer to peer with no trusted third party. This is now famous white paper published on Bitcoin.org entitled Bitcoin a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. Word becomes the manage or Carta for how Bitcoin operates today too. On Jan 3, 2009, the first Bitcoin block was mined block 0. This is also known as the Genesis block and contains the next the times 3 Jan 2009. Chancellor on the brink of second bailout of banks, perhaps proof that the block was mined on or after the data, and be also as relevant political commentary. 3. On On Jan 8, 2009, the first version of the Bitcoin software was announced to the cryptography mailing list, and on Jan 9, 2009, Block 1 was minted and Bitcoin mining commenced in earnest. Bitcoin rewards are held every two lakh 10,000 blocks. For example, the block rewards was 50 new bitcoins in 2009. On May 11, 2020, the third halving bringing the rewards for each block discovered down to 6.25 bitcoin point 4 on Bitcoin is divisible to 8 decimal places, hundreds millions of one Bitcoin, and his smallest unit is referred to as a Satoshi. Fifth, it's necessary, and if the participating miners accept the chain, Bitcoin could eventually to made divisible to even more decimal place. Bitcoin as a form of currency is not too complicated to understand. For example, if you own a Bitcoin, you can use our cryptocurrency wallet to send smaller properties of that Bitcoin as a payment for goods or services. However, it becomes very complex when you try to understand how it works. Bitcoin's blockchain technology. Cryptocurrencies are a part of blockchain and the network required to power it. A blockchain is a distributed ledger, a shared database that store data that within the blockchain are secured by and encryption methods. When a transaction take place on the blockchain, information from the previous block is copied to a new block with a new data encrypted, and that transaction is verified by validators called miners in the network. When a transaction is verified, a new block opened, and a bitcoin is created and given as a reward to the miners who verified the data within the block. They are then free use it, hold or sell it.